I think that slap triggered it. Otherwise, she probably would have never realized. We were shooting in Kutch for Rashmi
Hmm.
Rocket. You
Right.
can't shoot it during peak summers or rains. बदला के अंदर एंड में अगर मैं बच के निकल जाती एंड बच्चन सर का कैरेक्टर पकड़ा जाता, that would have been wrong.
Tapsi, welcome on Bolodagama, lockdown
Thank
special.
you.
All right, so how's been life for you the last 2 months?
It started off very well and peaceful because I was coming from a mad, crazy schedule because I was from Jan to March, I was prepping up for Rashmi Rocket, everyday
Yes.
training intense for 2 hours in that crazy cold of North because I was shooting there for Haseen Dilruba. So I
Right.
was training from 5 to 7, shooting from 9 to 9, and then this was like a crazy life added on with Thappad's promotion in between, for which I
Of
was doing
course.
back and forth.
Right.
So from Haridwar to Mumbai and back. So it was a mad, crazy time that I was going through from Jan to March, and suddenly everything just like came on a standstill. And
Yeah.
so in the beginning, it was a welcomed break from my side, and I generally enjoy spending time at my place because I made it such that I enjoy just staying here.
Right.
I call my friends over and all, which I couldn't, but still I had my sister and my sister-in-law quarantined with me. So we had like even enough entertainment between three of us. So that was not a problem. And house chores and all, I'm pretty okay doing all that. But it only since May started, I am now feeling urge to go to work because now I'm like,
Hmm.
it's now 1.5
बहुत
2 months
हो
of
गया.
लॉकडाउन अब हो गया अब मुझे काम करने दो मुझे बहुत जोर से एक्टिंग आ रही है मुझे काम करने दो
In fact, apparently the way you were training for Rashmi, and now last 2 months, since obviously the training would not have been the same, so you'll have to start from scratch once again. And you have a slate of several films lined up.
yeah
So I think everyone's schedule has gone for a toss, but since you're having I think at least five films.
I announced at least. I
Mm.
said yes to a couple of more, which we obviously didn't schedule because I was like trying to see when can I do what. Because a lot also depends upon weather and location. At what
Mm.
time we can shoot at what location. Like for example, Rashmi Rocket we couldn't shoot it in rainy or summer time because we were shooting in Kutch for Rashmi
Mm.
Rocket. You
Right.
can't shoot it during peak summers or rains. And Run Lola Run's adaptation was supposed to be shot in Goa and Mumbai on roads, most of it. And during rains, we couldn't shoot it. So we had to finish it before rain started in Mumbai and Goa. So all this was also very weather dependent, my entire schedule. I thought, this is how I'll do it. Then I'll get into this and then I will, work on Kashyap's film, which needed rain. And while
Right.
I do Kashyap's film, I'll start training for Shabash Mithu for a few months and then get into Shabash Mithu post rains. So it was like a lot of planning that I had done for this entire year was choco block for me.
Mm.
Um, now everything is in thin air. So and now I'm not planning anything. Now I'm just waiting for
Mm.
it to get over and then I'll sit on table with everyone and plan things. Before that, I'm not thinking too much about it.
All right. So, Tapsi, we've taken questions on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I think, and some of the questions are really, really wonderful. I think you'll have a great time answering them. Amrita from Bangalore. Hi, Tapsi. I'm Amrita and was in a similar toxic relationship like the Amrita you played in Thappad. There was no physical abuse, but emotional and verbal.
Hmm.
Do you think if the slap didn't happen, Amu would have continued in that toxic relationship? I broke free and still, to some, it is not justified.
To stick to the answer, Amu, as
Hmm.
in my Amrita, wouldn't have realized that there's anything wrong in the relationship if that slap didn't happen.
Hmm.
Because that slap for her was a trigger to realize there's something somewhere that has gone wrong.
Hmm.
And that's when she questioned everything else with that dialogue also. उस थप्पड़ ने मुझे वो सारी unfair चीजें साफ साफ दिखा दी जिसको इतने समय से वो अनदेखा देख करके आगे बढ़ती जा रही थी.
Right.
So I think that slap triggered it. Otherwise, she probably would have never realized.
Hmm.
But kudos to you. You could move on. I mean, I'm happy for you.
Do you think that maybe this is your most talked about film? Thappad is maybe your most talked about film?
Honestly,
Too many questions. Too many questions. And there are different point of views as well. I'll come to
Honestly,
that.
honestly, Maradon, I don't know how to compare
Uh,
because I had a lot of talking to do and questions to answer even when Pink happened.
yeah,
There were a lot of talking and questions when Mulk happened as well,
of course.
and then Thappad. So I'm kind of now little used to these kind of questions when it comes to society and the conditioning and questioning it and then answering it. So I can't compare with all this because they were so different in terms of topics. But yes, I can, since living right now, I can only talk about Thappad, that it has, like, every day I wake up to one new message or story or letter. I have had people leave letters on my doorsteps, to long emails, some really heart wrenching personal stories being discussed with me when I don't even know that person, and some people who I knew but I didn't know they were going through this kind of relationship, who came out and spoke to me after seeing the film, that this has really made them change the way they think. So there are a lot of really, really personal, heart-wrenching moments that have happened with me after people have seen this film, be it when it released or
Now,
after OTT. Yeah.
OTT
So
platform. Yeah,
yeah.
it's doing very well. All right, and you spoke about Mulk. Rishi Ji is no more. You spoke a very heartfelt post on your Instagram. You couldn't. You said that you couldn't complete a hat trick with him.
Mm.
It must have been a tough phase, both Irfan and
It was
Rishi
very
sir.
unreal. It almost felt like I'm in a nightmare. It almost felt like it was very unreal that it has happened back to back. I was almost thinking that, okay, am I going to wake up the next day again with a really bad news? It almost felt like that because it just happened boom boom, like back to back in 24 hours. So it was like, are we going to wake up to a bad news again the next day? So it was that kind of an unreal scenario what happened. Yeah, and I think I'm telling everyone that it's difficult to even comprehend it right now because we are in lockdown. So I guess when I move out is when I will feel his absence more. When we go back to work, resume our normal life, and we don't see him around much. I don't speak to him when my films are coming out or when I have to wish him or he wishes me. When all of that doesn't happen over a period of time, when things get normal, is when I will probably, it will seep in that he is no more. Because right now, sitting in lockdown, I don't know. I am not able to absorb this that he is no more in around.
This is Nivedita Sharma. After Pink, I wanted to look just like her, especially wanted to achieve the flawless skin like hers. When
Okay.
inquired about the secret with one of my fellow journalists from South, I was told she gargles with coconut water twice a day. Is that true?
No, no, not at all.
So how does that flawless skin happen? And but gargling of flawless skin, I couldn't understand that. But
No, it's not at all. I'm blessed with it, honestly, because my mom and dad have given me those genes where I have good skin. And I don't do much to spoil it. I don't drink or smoke, so it kind of helps me not to spoil it. So not much. I've been lucky.
all right, this is Asif Hassan, Dr. Asif Hassan, okay, from Aligarh. To Tapsi, I admire your work and your confidence and freshness infuses fresh energy in your roles, especially in
Thank you.
Mulk, Badla, Thappad, Sand Ki Aankh. Related to
Thank
movie Thappad, especially when husband repents seriously and even returns from London and considering the tense situation he was when he
you.
slapped his wife, I felt
Hmm,
sympathy towards the husband more.
hmm, hmm,
Towards the end of the movie, all in-laws so nice, and although hubby was a male chauvinist, but he was reforming,
hmm.
didn't he deserve at least one chance? So this is
Um,
another point.
this this is yeah, that is for Amrita. That was her story. But honestly, if you ask me, it would have been too convenient ना, मतलब इतने time उसने realize नहीं किया, इतने time he just kept making things bad to worse, and finally जब उसको चमका कि अरे sorry तो बोला ही नहीं, repent तो किया ही नहीं, and then she runs back. I think it's not like she totally, because उसका एक dialogue भी है लड़के का जिसमें he says मैं तुम्हें कमाऊंगा. So that is a way to keep
Entitlement.
the end, no, with the end open, that मैं तुझे कमाऊंगा, अगली बारी मैं तुझे कमाऊंगा, मतलब
Acha,
next
हाँ.
time he'll make an effort to earn
When he
her.
says sorry, when he says sorry.
Yeah, when he says sorry. So I think that was in a way keeping it open, that this story will start again in a different way. That was a hint there. But I think it would have been like, मतलब इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद, everything that has happened, And he finally realized too late, probably it was too late for Amrita at that point to just accept a sorry, क्योंकि अब sorry से ज़्यादा उसे कुछ करना पड़ेगा for to win her back, which he also realizes, and that's why he says कि इस बारी कमाऊंगा.
This is Keshav Fakun Jr. Keshav Fakun from Mauritius. Why did you not like Kabir Singh, given that you yourself played a lot of flawed characters? People can be toxic irrespective of gender.
Agreed, 100%. I am all for gender equality. I don't have a problem in playing gray shades. I have played an antagonist also in Badla. But you know, the point is you should not be celebrating it. Like Badla के अंदर end में अगर मैं बच के निकल जाती and बच्चन सर का character पकड़ा जाता, and then you know I'm just roaming around free and getting everything I wanted in life, that would have been wrong. So I guess that's the difference between a Kabir Singh gray or toxic character and the toxic character that I am okay playing. Don't celebrate it. I'm like, again, I've never imposed my opinion on people. I'm just saying मेरे को पसंद नहीं है तो मैं जाके नहीं देखी. That's the maximum I'll do. I'll not tell you to go or not to go and watch it. I just don't like the celebration of toxic masculinity. That's all.
Okay, this is Rehan DJ from Gurgaon. When you're deeply in love and deeply connected with a woman and vice versa, there's a lot of honesty in it. If you don't have that physical demonstration, you don't have the liberty of slapping each other, then I don't see anything there, said the director of Kabir Singh in his interview. What is your take?
You can watch Thappad. It's available on Amazon Prime Video. It is a very good watch of 2 hours, 15, 20 minutes. You'll get the answer.